Good afternoon, this is Miguel Ocio with the Winston Minute. Our report of the markets closing today. U.S. markets rallying, sort of wiping out yesterday's losses and some. So we saw the Dow Jones up 65 basis points, the S&P over 1%, and the NASDAQ 1.7% up. We also saw oil climb as investors anticipate another decline in U.S. crude inventories. So good news on that front. However, the sort of dominating central story of the day was Theresa May's Brexit deal and its overwhelming rejection in the House of Commons. She's now being asked to revamp her proposal by the end of March and faces a vote of no confidence on Parliament on Wednesday, potentially. We saw index futures trim its gains, and we saw the euro drop as well, with some bad news coming from the ECB, some soft economic data as well. Easing U.S. and China trade tensions and dovish commentary from the Fed spurred a bit of a return to risk in January amongst U.S. assets. So we're seeing that rally kind of materialize today. There's also some news of a potential China stimulus that was received this week, as I'm seeing on Bloomberg right now. That said, we still have to consider what's going to be the final outcome with Brexit and the U.S. government shutdown and how that may impact markets going forward. So I'm still looking at that rain cloud for now before I start celebrating the sort of asymmetrical growth we're seeing globally. That's all I have for today. You can catch up with us tomorrow. And once again, at the markets close, have a good evening.